welcome back to my vegan kitchen. I've got a requested recipe, not by Homer.
He said, yeah!
This is for jackfruit tacos. I'm basically going to do this like I do my regular taco meat mixture, but instead of Gardein or TVP, I'm going to be using unripened green jackfruit. So if you've got a Trader Joe's near you, they sell this at Trader Joe's. It's really reasonable. I think it's like $1 something a can. We're going to be using 2 cans. And I'm going to be doing this in the pressure cooker so that it's going to be quick and easy. And it's going to do a really great job because it's it's a really good squad, you know? So I'm going to start by adding 2 cans of the drained jackfruit. I saw this at the store today and I said, whoa, this already has the mild green chilies in it already. So I got just 1 can of the Rotel. It's diced tomatoes and the green chilies, so 1 small can is going in as well. I always like to add extra protein in my meat mixture for tacos or burritos or carnitas, whatever it is. So I've got a nice can of organic black beans that I've drained off the liquid. I didn't rinse it, I just drained it off because I'm being lazy today. The organic ones are pretty nice though. They don't have a lot of sludge at the bottom, so it's kind of nice. I have my own homemade taco seasoning mixture, which the recipe, I will leave a link to it in the info box. I like to use like 3 scoops of this. So that is probably 3 big tablespoons, I guess. Although this is a coffee scoop and it says it's 2 tablespoons. I don't believe it, but I put 3 scoops. I mean, that's probably like a packet and a half, right? Of the taco seasoning that you buy at the store.
Sure.
I like a lot of lime juice too. So I'm going to be using 1, 2, 3. That's probably like, probably like 3 tablespoons of lime juice. If you like a lot of lime, put more. And now since we're doing this in the pressure cooker, I'm going to add some water because that's what's going to help it bring up to steam and to close the valve. You always have to make sure that you have enough water in there to make steam. So that is just under a cup. I'm going to give this a stir. Let me put it on here first. I'll give it a stir. I don't want to waste your time. I'm going to, let's do my old favorite poultry. We're going to bump up the time to 20 minutes. And we're going to start. And I'm going to put the lid on, obviously, after I stir it. But when we come back, all we're going to have to do is give it a nice stir. Let some of the steam escape so that it dries out a little bit. And we'll be ready to eat. It's that quick. Who's ready for dinner?
Yeah!
You?
I'm very ready.
Okay, so Maddie's going to make how she makes her Mexican night dinner. I'm just going to show you what happened here.
You're not going to do a sample one so that it looks nice?
Why, yours isn't going to be good enough?
Probably not.
Maybe. Alright, so so this is what happened. After the timer went off, I let the steam out, opened the top, and I took a, well, see, here's the thing. I don't have a potato masher, but I do have a broken egg beater. So I used one of the twirly whirlies. To mash up the jackfruit.
Hey, whatever works.
Right? And this is what it looks like. So it looks very meat-like. It's very stringy, like if it was a pulled pork or a chicken. So this is how Maddie does her Mexican night.
This is how we do it.
This is how we do it.
We're having some tacos tonight. So you said you want to like kind of press this up against the side.
Yeah.
Drain a little bit of the liquid.
The next day, if you have leftovers, it's probably going to soak up a lot of that liquid, but it's like pretty hot right now, right out of the pot, so it's still loosey-goosey. But we usually have wraps, some
spinach wraps.
Yeah, some rice. We do it more like a burrito.
Yeah.
Definitely. We have our beautiful yellow sauce, which is a cashew-based cheese with some harissa in it.
If you guys haven't seen it yet, we have that recipe on our channel.
And it'll be linked in the info box. We've got some accoutrements here, some cilantro, some scallions, some grape tomatoes. We've also got some...
You said grape tomatoes.
They're grape. We got some vegan cheese if you want to put extra on top. I think I'm going to do like a taco salad with some blue corn chips on mine. But that looks lovely.
Thank you.
You're doing a great job.
I'm being very cautious because I just did my nails.
For the Olympics?
USA, slay all day.
I think you could go a little heavier with the accoutrements.
Alright. This is my creation.
Alright. Do you want any of this cheese?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Treat myself.
Treat yourself, 2018.
Put,
no, we usually don't use that, but I thought it would be nice.
Nice little for funsies.
Right.
Okay.
I don't want the camera to steam up from the rice because this just came out of the rice cooker.
Ooh, yeah.
Alright, you squirrel hooker. That looks pretty good.
And of course,
yellow sauce.
the best part. Whoop.
Yeah, slop it up.
Well, that's usually what I do. It's what I'm known for around these parts.
Yes. Very good. Very good, very nice, very good.
Okay. Now this is important.
You gotta stick that fork in it. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, the problem though is that
It's gonna flop all over the
this
place.
isn't all the way at the edge. So I'm just gonna
do you
go
want
in
to
and
cut
get
it in
some.
half?
No. I'm just gonna go in
You're
and
just
get
gonna
some.
taste it?
Yeah. Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Mmm.
I guess
That's good.
That's a good.
Now here's the thing too. I'm not usually into jackfruit,
Mm-hmm.
but that's really nice with
Well,
the
thank
spices
you.
that you put in there and the beans and it's
Not mushrooms, tomatoes.
Yeah.
They're not like mushrooms at all.
good. No, the tomatoes with the little chilies.
Yeah.
Very good.
It's a winner.
Yeah, it's nice.
All right.
I can't
Well,
wait to eat on this.
I hope you enjoy. The
Thank
thumbnail
you.
will be my creation.
Okay. It's fair.
Subscribe for more. Give it a thumbs up if you like this kind of video. And until next time, much love.